Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to restore deleted or old WhatsApp messages on Android in 2025 step by step with the help of your Google Drive or the local backup option. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you could retrieve or restore your chats safely. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your WhatsApp mobile application just like so. So over here on the WhatsApp app, simply tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen and go to settings. In your settings, first of all tap on the chats option over here, then scroll down on this page and select the option of chat backup. Over here it is going to show you the local chat backup and your last backup. So it will show you the time and whether it was saved to your Google Drive or the local drive here in the top. So you can tap on the manage Google storage option and select your email address over here, and you can also tap on this backup option and wait for some time until it is backing up all of your chats. Now once this step is done, you need to simply just open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for WhatsApp. Now once you search for WhatsApp, you need to tap on its icon, and from here you need to basically uninstall the WhatsApp mobile application completely, and then you need to reinstall it in your device. After that, you will be able to see the home page of WhatsApp where you need to enter your mobile number and verify it with the help of OTP. Once this step is done, WhatsApp will automatically going to show you a restore pop-up. So you need to tap on the restore option and press continue. Once this step is done, your chats will be restored. Now you can either upload your photo over here, or you can also type your name in this section and wait for some time until it redirects you on the home page of WhatsApp. With the help of this method, you will be able to easily restore your WhatsApp messages on Android. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.